Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add page number from a specific page in Word. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Word and you want to add page number from a specific page, you don't want to add this from first or second page, so what you have to do, here you will see I have 7 pages. Okay, so I want that the page numbering start from page number 3. Okay, so here, as you will see here, it is page number 1, page number 2, and here you will see page number 3 and page number 4. So I want that my page numbers 1 should be this 3. Okay, so how to do it? First you have to, here you will see, here you will see page, okay, page number 1 of 7. Okay, you will see now you have to right click here, and then here you have to enable section. Okay, so here you will see section 1. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to go to the page where from where you want to start the number. Okay, now I want to start the numbering from page number 3, so click here, and then you have to click on layout. Then here you will see breaks, click on it and click on continuous. Okay, so here you will see this is section 1. Okay, and this is section 2. So basically I have divided this in 2 sections. Okay, so now what you have to do, now here you have to click on this page number. Okay, click on this page number, double click here. Now here you will see same as previous option, and here you will see link to previous. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to click one time click. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see page number 1, page number 2. Now you have to click again on it and remove. Okay, backspace, click backspace. So here you will see it is page number 3, 4, and now you will not see any page numbers here allotted. Okay, so now what you have to do, now go to this, click on here, click here. Okay, click here, then here you will see in under header and footer page numbers, click on it, then format page numbers, and then click on type 1 here and start it, type 1 and click on OK. So here you will see this will start from page 1, page 2, and there is no page numbering in page 1, this both pages. Okay, so like this you can add page numbers from a specific page in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.